In this video, you'll learn how to create a portfolio website using Webflow. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process from starting a new site to begin by navigating to the Webflow dashboard. To do this, open your web browser and enter the Webflow URL. Once the page loads, look for the section labeled Sites on the left sidebar. This is where you will manage your projects. Next, click on the button labeled New Site, located at the top right corner of the Sites page. This action will prompt the site creation interface to appear. Take a moment to ensure you are on the correct screen before proceeding. After that, select the option for the AI Site Builder. This feature allows for an automated site creation process tailored to your needs. Once selected, the system will transition to the next setup screen. Now click on the area labeled Describe Your Site. Here, you will provide a brief description of your portfolio website. This description helps the AI understand your vision and will influence the design choices it makes. Type in the phrase, create a portfolio website in the input field that appears. This specific request informs the AI of your intentions, allowing it to generate relevant design options. After entering the text, make sure to click on the Enter key to confirm your input. Following this, click on the button labeled Structure Your Site. This step will guide the AI in organizing the layout and sections of your website based on the description you provided. After structuring, proceed to click on the option labeled Generate Site. This action initiates the AI's process of creating your site. The system will display a loading indicator confirming that your request is being processed. You may see a message indicating Generate More Themes. This option allows you to explore different design themes tailored to your portfolio. You can choose to select a theme or continue with the generated options. Next, a message will prompt you to customize your design. This is an opportunity to adjust color schemes, fonts, and layouts to match your personal style. Take your time to make these adjustments as needed. You will then see a message about customizing sections. This step allows you to modify individual sections of your site, ensuring that each part effectively showcases your work. Following that, look for a message that says Generate a Layout. This indicates that the AI is finalizing the layout based on your previous inputs. A progress bar may appear, showing the status of this process. Now you will encounter a message stating Preparing Site. This signifies that the AI is preparing all elements of your website for display. Be patient, as this may take a moment depending on your internet speed. Next, the message will change to Creating Sections. This step involves the AI constructing the various parts of your website according to your specifications. After that, a message will indicate drafting content. At this stage, the AI is generating textual and visual content for your site, which may take additional time based on the complexity of the design. You will then see a message stating Finalizing Pages. This indicates the AI is completing the setup of your website, ensuring everything is in place before you can view it. Lastly, wait for the message indicating that the site is finished generating. Depending on the size of your portfolio and your internet connection, this may take a few moments. Once complete, you will be able to access your new portfolio website, and that completes the process. Thanks for following along. See you next time.